Children, this is our another video, that is multiplication of fraction. All right, last time we have already discussed addition, subtraction, uh, simplification, its representation on a number line. All right, so this is our another video that is based on multiplication, that is the other operations. Okay, another operations. So multiplication, you can just go through your book, page number N87. There are a few examples given. You can just go through it and just have a look at it. All right, you get to know more about it. All right, so and yeah, multiplication, as you know, it's a repeated addition. So how do we see, or how do we justify that statement? Let us see. Suppose I have a number as 3, okay, which has been multiplied 5 times. So I'll put the multiplication sign. 5 into 3 is how much? It is 15. Alright, but how do we justify that statement multiplication is a repeated addition? How? So what we do is, like, we'll take this 3 and we'll add it how many times? 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you add all this 3, how much you'll get? You'll get 15. So although the operations are different, here it is multiplication, here the operation is multiplication, and here the operation is addition, but the results are same. That means multiplication is a repeated addition. All right, so if you want to directly move on to the topic, let us see. So how do we multiply a fraction? Let us see. Let us directly move on to the exercise part, then you'll be more clear about it. Exercise 5D. Let me solve question number 1, sub question 2, that is 6 by 7 multiplied by 35 by 8. So here what we do is, like, we'll first multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. First step. Okay, so and we'll find the fractions. Then after that we'll find the HCF. Why HCF? To convert it into simplest form. Okay, then we'll get the desired result. All right, so here green denotes numerator, black denotes denominator. All right, so 6 multiplied by 35 and 7 multiplied by 8. So 6 into 35 will give you 210. 7 8s are 56. All right, so now it is done. This first step is done. So second step is what it is? We'll find the HCF of both the number 210. Okay, or yeah, we'll find the HCF, and we'll write the possible factors of 210 by using HCF. Okay, and factors of 56. This is the simplest technique, because if we move on to another another technique, it will be quite complicated and it is quite time taking also. So it's better you can do this also. It's not that you have to do my technique, you can do your own technique also, okay? But you have to be sure with your answers. All right, it is not that you have to be with my, you have to do my own concepts only. No, it's not that. You can do your own, okay? The only thing is that you need to practice it. So 210. So here in the unit place there is even number, so I can divide it with 2. So 2 nearest to 2 is 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 cannot divide with 1, so I'll multiply it with 0. This 1 gets over here. So 2 5s are 10. Since in the even in the unit place it's 5, and 5 cannot be divided by 2, let us check with 3. 3 can divide 105. Yeah, 3 cannot divide 1, so I'll take 2 number. So 3 3s are 9, left over 1, I place it here, it becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. 35 cannot be divided by 3, but 5 can divide 35. 5 7s are 35, and lastly 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 210 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Why multiplied? If you multiply all this number, you will get 210. All right. Similarly for 56, the number in the unit place is 6. That is even number. So it can be divided by 2. So let us see. 2 nearest to 5. 2 cannot divide 5, but it can be nearest to 5. That is 2 2s are 4. Left over 1. That is 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 2. 7s are 7. 1s are. So that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So now the very important step. So this, I'll write it here. So 210 upon 56 can also be written as, 210 can be written as this one. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 divided by, and 56 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now cancellation process. So you can directly get the answer. Okay, so how do we do that? We need to check. Okay, we need to see the number present in the numerator as well as in the denominator, that gets cancelled. So here it is 2 and 2. One number each for the other number. It's not that one, if there's 2 and you'll cut 2 numbers. No, it's not. You should not cancel that way. 1 for 1. So that is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 and 2 cannot be. 5 and 2 cannot be. 7 and 7 can be cancelled. So the remaining answer is 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4. This is our answer. In the back, your answer is written as, it is 3 3 by 4. You know it, how to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. I have taught you in the last video. So please go through that. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me later. Alright. So these are the things for the multiplication of fractions. Don't get worried about the number in the question number 3. 5D 1 question, sub question 3. It is given as 96 by 115 multiplied by 25 by 54. Don't get worried about that. You can also find HCF for each individual numbers. No need to multiply. For 96 separately, for 25 separately, for 115 separately, and 54 separately, and you can just cancel it. If you have any doubt, we'll do it later again. Alright. Thank you so much. Stay safe, everyone.